Welcome back. Briefly, we're going to solve this problem under algebra, and this is an exponential equation. So in this equation, we are going to evaluate it to see how we can be able to get the value of k. That is our target. And how do we get this value of k? Look at the right hand side of the equation. We're having 1 here, and the base, or what do we call it? This is the power and this is the base. We want to try to see how we can have similar base on both sides of the equation. And I can transform this 1 in such a way that it will be having a base of 4. How do we achieve that? If you obey the law of zero of indices, that law states that anything to the power of 0 is 1. So similarly, if I have 4 to the power of 0, that is 1. You can see that I have already transformed this 1 to 4 to the power of 0. So let's substitute this expression here. Okay, so we have this point to be 4 to the power of k squared minus 4 equal to 4 to the power of 0. Alright, that makes a lot of sense. Now this appears to be what we call an indicial equation. It's under exponential equation also. So at this point, for the bases to be the same, it literally means that the powers are the same. How are the powers the same? If I equate the same base, I can equate the power. But in a simpler way, what we do is this. We say equate the power. When we say equate the power, it literally means cancel out the base. So if I cancel out this common base, I will easily say 4k minus 4, k squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I'm looking for the value of k. So that way I will isolate minus 4. And how do I isolate it? I will take it to the right hand side of the equation, and the negative sign changes to plus 4. Finally, for us to get the value of k, we will have to take the square root of both sides of the equation. If I take the square root, here will go along with plus or minus 4. So finally, this will cancel. Whenever square meets with square root, they cancel out. We have k, therefore, to be equal to plus or minus. The square root of 4 is 2. What does this actually mean? It means that k has two values. K has a positive value, and also k has a negative value. So this is the solution to this problem. I hope this makes sense to you. Place a like or hit the like button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. This channel, subscribe to it. And if you have issues of understanding, having problems of understanding the concept of zero law, I'm going to drop the link in this video. So just check it to navigate you to zero law, then you watch the video on zero law so that you have better understanding on this concept. Thank you, and stay subscribed if you've subscribed already.